Are you looking for an AI that lets you create unlimited videos completely for free just by using prompts? Then don't miss this video. I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that you can use as a free alternative to VO3, and you can create your own videos without paying anything. Make sure to like this channel to support me and give me the energy to create more valuable videos for you. All right, let's get started. You can use this AI on both your mobile phone and computer, but in this video, I'll be showing you the process using a mobile device. So grab your phone, open your browser, and in Google search for the site EaseMate AI. Click on the first link that appears, then tap the login button. Next, click on Continue with Google and sign in using your Gmail account. After that, click Next, and then Connect and Create Account. Now you are fully logged in and have access to all features on the site. Okay, now let's get to the main part, video creation. To generate a video, you'll need a prompt. You can write your own prompt or just use ChatGPT to help. In my case, I use ChatGPT and tell it to create a 5-scene zombie attack video. ChatGPT then generates 5 scenes with a separate prompt for each. Now, copy one scene's prompt, go back to the EaseMate AI site, tap the 3 dots and select Video Generator. Then click on Text to Video, paste your prompt and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be created. Tap on it and download it to your device.
All right, friends, to complete all 5 scenes of the video, we're going to repeat the same process for each scene. Just copy each prompt from ChatGPT and turn it into a video. I'll speed up the footage for each video to make the process faster, and I'll generate all the scenes one by one until the full video is complete.
Once all the videos are generated, download them to your phone. Then, using the CapCut app or any other editing app, arrange the clips in order one after another. Finally, complete your editing by adding free sound effects to enhance the final video. So friends, this is one of the AIs you can use completely for free to generate videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tools and tips.